this is a brand new channel. We're going to talk about everything about AI. Doesn't matter if it's phone or computer or website. I will teach you everything in this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to teach you everything about AI. Mostly it will be free, not going to be paid, and I'm going to show you some of the pretty cool stuff. Today we're going to talk about speech to text. So AI speech to text is very popular. If you do not want to do what I'm doing right now, you speak and then basically people see what you're speaking. AI can speak for you. All I have to do is put the script in and then that's it. Today I'm going to show you on a PC or a MacBook, you can actually use 4 different websites for free, and then any language you want, you put any language inside, they can speak whatever the language it is. Very simple and easy. You can do different voices and you can download the clip and put on your video as in voiceover. Super simple to use. So today I'm going to show you 4 different websites. Those are free, and then you can take a look at this. So we're going to dive in and then take a look at this first website. Okay, so the first website is called AI Voice Generators, and you can look at this. AI Voice Generators they already say it's free. They said that 120 languages and 800 and plus realistic voice. So if you go down right here, you can select whatever you want. So right here we will say, English Canada, and you can select whatever the voice you want, male or female. Right at the bottom here, you want to put down your script. So let's just say this is going to be my script that I copied from Google. And then at the bottom here, you can try it out. So you can press this, and when you press this, they will generate another voice for you.
An AI voice generator is software that uses artificial intelligence to create synthetic speech. It leverages techniques like machine learning and deep learning to mimic human speech patterns, intonation, and even...
So let's just say if this is what you like, you can press download and then that's it. Or if you're using a cell phone, a device, you can actually just do the video recording, okay, screen recording, and then just record the voice, and then you can put onto your video whatever you want. Okay, so very simple and easy. So you can look deeply, you can see there are so many different languages. You can put Korean, you can put, I don't know, like Polish, you can do so many, Russian, anything you want. That is pretty cool. Okay, website I would like to talk about is actually called ttsfree.com. And then right at the bottom here, you can see there's server 2 and server 1. So I only tried server 2 myself. Right here, we will select whatever we want. We will say US, okay, very simple, easy. And then we select whatever voice we want. You can play.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions.
Okay, now this right here, you want to copy any text you want. So I'm going to copy the same text right here into here, and then we press convert now. When we press convert now, this website is going to be a little bit faster than the first website.
An AI voice generator is software that uses artificial intelligence to create synthetic speech.
Pretty cool. Okay.
It leverages techniques like machine learning and deep learning to mimic human speech patterns.
And then now you can actually download MP3, and then you can just basically use that, put on your video. So you can see right here, you can see there is a lot of languages right here. Japanese, Korean, right? Everything that you need is all in here. And right at the top here is a text to speech for free. So another free website. The next one is called LoveVoice. So in here you say 200 voices and 70 languages. Right at the bottom here, this is where you select your language. You can actually select, you can see the English, there's actually a lot of options. Philippines, Singapore, whatever. So we can do Singapore, and we can do male, and then this is what we want to speak. We press generate. And then this website, every single time they want to verify, are you human? And then they will use...
An AI voice generator is software that uses artificial intelligence to create synthetic speech. It leverages techniques like machine learning and deep learning.
So this is from Singapore, okay? And then you can press download right at the bottom here, and this is where you download your clip. And then you can see right here there is a lot of like options right here, okay? And then you can just select whatever you want. You can put your own language in there. They will speak for you. Super simple and easy. All right, 70 languages. So the next one is, the final one is, it's actually called naturalreaders.com. This one here, you can actually download on your phone as well, or you can use the website as well. At the top here, you can say get started, personal, and then because I already started already, it will jump into here. You can click into the human, okay, and then you can select another language, okay? And then once you select another language, which I would say like, let's just say I would say English, Australia. Now you select whatever you want. You can say, this is all free, okay? All free. And then say press use. And now, let's just say this is the one that we want to read. You press play. And
drag and drop your files, or type, paste, and edit text here. Natural Reader is a professional text-to-speech.
So if you like this, you go to the three dot right here, and then you press MP3, and now you can actually download the clip onto your video, whatever you want. Pretty cool. And this one has a lot of language as well too. You can see there's so many languages. You can put your own language, put it inside, let it speak, and then download, and then that's it. Very simple. I hope this video helps you. 4 free website, free speech attacks. Very simple, easy. And I hope you subscribe to this new channel, and I will create a lot of new videos teaching you how to use AI to do things, okay? Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.